Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you my top box setup using Givi or Givi. Don't know how you pronounce it, but I think I prefer to pronounce it as Givi. So later I will show you guys my top box setup on my Benelli Leoncino 250 SE or Special Edition. Okay, but before anything else, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get updated with my latest video content. So let's go. Okay, so my Benelli Leoncino is currently outside because I just cleaned it up earlier. I washed my bike so that it will look so clean. There's my Leoncino, and this is my Givi box or Givi. All right, so there. Okay, it's quite it's a little big, but I think it fits okay for a Leoncino 250. So it depends on your preference actually, but for me this is this is okay. So now I'm driving in the bike so that we can start assembling the Givi box so that you can guys see how it looks like. Okay. So now I have the bike inside, so I'll show you guys first the rack, the Givi rack. So the rack is also Givi, as I just mentioned earlier, Givi rack. So here it is. There, you can see the label Givi, so it's original. So how it's connected from here towards here, I think, right here, sorry, underneath there. So underneath they punched a hole so that the bracket can go in. So I'll show you guys later where it's being screwed. And here is where you put the box. Put the box on top. Okay. Alright, so let me show you what's inside, how they screwed it inside. So there, this is where they, this is the bracket, the connection. So this is where they screwed it so that it will be tighter. It doesn't wiggle. So as you can see, it's very tight. Doesn't easily move. Okay. So let me just put it back. So now we're done in putting this back. Let's go ahead and assemble this box on the rack. Okay guys, so let me show you how I mounted it. So okay, if you want to remove it, it's easily done like this. Press this one hard. Oh sorry, I think it's locked. Yeah, it is locked. Hold on, I'm gonna unlock it first. There, press this, then you push up. See, do it again. Press hard, push up. Okay, then when you push, push hard, push up, and then you pull it there. Okay, so sorry for the rough camera. So that's how you do it. So making sure there's also this, you can see the two things on below there. That's also a what do you call that? It's like a lock, so you have to push it in for the box to fit. So let's do it again. There. So there's the hole there. Then see the hole? See? That is the, oh, there's a hole there. That's where it goes. Push down. There. Okay, I think it's not. Yeah, it's not fit. Okay, there. Okay, push down. There. All right. See? Doesn't usually move. It's tight. So I've already tested this before when I drive the bike. You can definitely rely on the brand of Givi. It's not gonna fly away when you drive too fast. Okay, it's there. So it looks like one more look. Yeah, there. Okay, so I hope you guys like my setup. So that's how my Givi box and my Benelli Leoncino are assembled. The price of it is I'm sorry, I cannot remember anymore, but it's roughly around 250 ringgit, the box itself. Then you buy the rack separately, it's around 180 ringgit. Yep. So I think I got them both on Shopee. I'll paste in the description the link of the boxes, sorry, of the box and the rack, so that if you want to buy that one, you can just visit the link and get one for yourself. And don't forget to hit the like button and just put in your comment. Let me know what you think. Sorry about the sweat. I really sweat a lot. That's why when I move too much, I sweat a lot. Also, I want to do a shout out to Alex GLTV. He's also a moto vlogger. So shout out to you, Alex GLTV. Mabuhay. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.